Okay, I've got a nice little Sony Vaio laptop here from a buddy of mine who need some upgrades, wanted it to run faster. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to wipe the operating system, I'm going to put a new operating system on the new SSD that I got him. We're going to upgrade it obviously from a hard drive to a solid state drive, which is going to tremendously increase the speeds. Just to kind of show you the speed increase, we're going to go ahead. I've already done a little bit of maintenance work on this. I went ahead and stopped a lot of programs from starting up with the computer and cleaned it up a little bit, so it's going to be a little faster than it already was. But we're going to go ahead and hit power right now and see how quickly it takes for it to start up. This computer is running Windows 7 Professional. I'm going to be upgrading it to Windows 7 Ultimate. Both versions are 64-bit. There's 4 gigs of RAM on this computer. It's an Intel Core 2 Duo processor. It's already been a minute and a half, and we're only to the welcome screen. That's going to be an amazing difference for him once we get this SSD installed and get it completely formatted correctly. Good Lord. It's 2 minutes and 13 seconds, and we're at the GUI, but it's still loading, as you can see. Good Lord. It took about 2.5 minutes. I mean, it's obviously still loading some programs in the background, so it'll be tough to access anything right now. Yeah, it's still it's still booting up. Obviously, everything hasn't finished loading. It's still connecting to the network, and we're approaching 3 minutes here. Too long of a video. Alright, you get the point. I'll talk to you later.